Hello guys, I decided to make a new update video for you to explain a few more things more in detail because I often became the same questions over and over again, and I had also problems with the microphone quality. This time there will be no cut at all, and I went to set up the bot for you again. Also, this bot is now working in Uniswap and PancakeSwap, so it finds even more contracts to front run. So first, as last time, you need to download the MetaMask. After you downloaded the MetaMask, then go on your extensions, MetaMask, and the first thing what you need to do, I done it already, is to create a new network. And then you fulfill everything from the Academy Binance link. I linked this also in the video description. Down there you find the mainnet, and you fulfill everything like this. This is red because I already deployed BNB on my network. And that's it. You have then, after you deploy that network, BNB, or the possibility to use BNB on MetaMask. So the next step is to connect your MetaMask with Remix. This is super simple. And just go on extension, MetaMask again. Here it says not connected. You click on there, connect, and then you see green circle, it is now connected. So after you did all the preparation, we finally deploying the contract we are working with. For that you just go here on create new file. I call it now TI bot. And after that, just click anywhere else, go here on solid compiler. It needs to say 0.6.6 plus commit, because this is the version the script or the code is running with. That's everything you need to do here. After that, you just use the copy file. I linked that also in the video description as well. The passband file, then you just copy paste it in here, and then here should appear a green mark. Then everything is fine. If there's something red, please let me know or do the step before over again, because it needs to be green. After that, you go here, click on environment, inject Web3, then you find your connected wallet. So the next step is you need to get funds on your MetaMask account. I already did it, but you need to copy this code, and this is your wallet code, and with your wallet just top it up with the amount you want to use on the bot as well. And after you did that, you just go here on deploy to actually deploy the bot. For that, you need to pay a small fee. Just accept it from now on. Wait a second, because it's on creation. Now you have created the bot. All you need to do now is top up the bot with funds. For that, you just copy the value here, copy on the clipboard, go here, and on MetaMask, and go to send. I now let the bot run with 1 BNB, but I already talked with a lot of persons. The minimum what you should run it is 0.3. My recommendation is at least 0.5, because otherwise, in my opinion, you don't have any good results, and it takes hours to get your 0.3 back. But you have still on the contract, so you can just hit action again after that words to stop the bot running. So in this case, I just use 1 BNB. Click on continue. Just wait a second until this appears in green. So now you interacted with the contract, and all you need to do now is go on deploy. Not on deploy, sorry, not on deploy. You go here on TI PancakeSwap, this is my personal script. Go on action. After that, you have to pay another fee. And that's basically it. Now you need to wait a few seconds. The bot is now running and scanning the mempool for possible bots, front runs he can deploy. So he's scanning the mempool for contracts and then front running it. So I just wait now a few seconds, maybe we get a transaction in. And yeah, for that I now want to discuss a few things with you, because often people occur some problems and asking me on the Discord channel. But first of all, before you do it, please check all your marks so that everything is appearing in green, because often people losing money because of that, they mess up something, and yeah, at the end sometimes it happens that the money is still on the contract. But if so, just let me know, we can figure that out as well. And if you need any kind of support, I offer help on my Discord channel. You can just text me private or in the group channels. And of course, don't forget to share your results on Telegram and Discord channels as well. I also like to appreciate the subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. But first of all, maybe... As you can see now, we got small profit, I think 1.2, I guess. Oh, this small profit. Nice. See you guys in the next video.